So I have 3 boneless chicken breasts, and I added 1 teaspoon of green seasoning and half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. And I have about a cup of chopped pimento, a cup of bacon finely chopped. So this is 1 cup of heavy cream. It is more like 1.5 cup of heavy cream and 1.5 cup of grated cheese. So let's get started. So I'm heating up my pan with 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm just waiting for it to get hot. Right, my oil is hot enough, so I'm going to add my chicken. Hear that sizzle? And I'm just going to leave it to get brown, a nice color brown, and then I'm going to turn it. So I got my chicken a nice color, and the chicken didn't take long to cook. 10 minutes to the most to get brown, because this boneless chicken, it don't take too long, and this is a nice color. So I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to add my bacon to crisp up. So I'm going to add my bacon. Leave it to get crispy. So here is my bacon, all crisped up. I'm going to add my tomato. Right, and I added 2 cloves of chopped garlic to this. And now I'm going to add my milk. Leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes. And then I will add back my chicken and my cheese. Add a teaspoon of black pepper. And now I'm adding in my chicken, minced chicken, and my cheese. And I'm just going to leave it for 5 minutes, and then it's done. So my cheesy sauce is finished. I made it for my kids, and I put some in some hot dog, and they're having it with some fries too. So simple and easy. So I hope you guys try my cheesy poppers, and you can have it with hot dog and fries. Easy, simple. Do enjoy and do try.